All right, so we're ready to pull the engine, and I came up with this idea of we're going to pull the truck away from the engine because we're trying to pull the transmission still attached. So we're supporting the transmission with the trans jack, and we've got to come along over here attached to my truck, and we're going to attempt to come along the old shitty truck out of the garage towards my truck. Engine stays in place. We're also on like a gravel floor, so let's see if this works.